Hello Lakana, hello Lising. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, thank and you.
Fine too. Can I ask you some question?
Yes, you can.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is hamster.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is cabbage.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is cherry.
How many hours do you study English per day?
I study 2 hours per day.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is badminton.
Thank you, Lakana.
Thank you, Sing. Can I ask you some questions?
Yes, you can.
What is your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is Khmer.
What is your religion?
My religion is Buddhism.
What is your hometown?
My hometown is Kampong Chhnang Province.
Where were you born?
I was born inside the Chai village.
How old are you?
I am 11 years old.
What do you want to be in the future?
In the future, I want to be a doctor.
Thank you, Sing.
Thank you, Lakana.